What is up, guys? It's Gavin here, back with another video. And today we got a special one for y'all. We are with Sean Jr. and Trey, and we are all going to Choctawhachee River. Yeah, we're gonna see if we can't catch any fish, you know, get this thing rolling. Haven't been to the river in a while, so I don't know how the bite's gonna be, but we're gonna see about it. Try to catch us some good fish. So I'll see y'all when we do it.
I hate that it's this early, I can't see nothing.
There he is. Ooh!
Oh my god,
Look at that perfect
Trey's
cast.
gonna land with some walks on up in there.
Yeah. Right off the bank.
There you go.
That first one, boys. First fish in the boat. Alright guys, I'm just using this little June bug worm. That's what I caught the first one on. We're going to keep trying to catch them. Oh dang. What? I don't know.
PK for vengeance right
You
there.
see that thing?
Yeah.
What was it?
I don't know, it looked like a big hornet.
Do what? That one me and you went swimming in during that tournament? Yeah.
It's probably like it's probably from here to the bank in a circle, but like it's crystal clear.
Yeah. And big old rope swing goes off of it. What a cast. There's a second one. That's, look at that spot. It's a 1 pound spot right there, boys. And the second one in the boat. This is my third one. Perfect size to keep. I'm gonna put him in the live well.
Clip her up. Oh yeah. Alright.
Yeah, he was.
When I catch a bunch on wire, oh, there's another one. Oh yeah. You got him?
Yeah. Did you?
I just threw in a.
I threw it in right behind you.
I'm gonna throw it.
Alright guys, there's my fourth one.
It's wrong. He's cast the wild one cast. I look over here, your cast one cast. Where do I go?
Oh.
Right there, Trey.
Go right in there.
Oh, no. Right there, that was a good one.
Got him. Dang, dude.
I tried telling you to throw it down.
Hey, put it in the, like, when we show it to the camera. Put it in the.
Oh. Oh, no.
Rookie mistake.
We got plenty more to get.
Yeah.
I know what I'm doing well.
Here he is, boys. My fifth one.
I don't know why they ain't biting like. I don't know if we're not around them, but like when you get around them, they bite.
There's another little one, boys. Put him in the lava though. Yep. Yeah, that's a nice one.
Oh man, if it comes up.
Yeah.
That's 7?
7?
8.
It's slow though. It's slow though. Pick one here and there.
That's a nice one, boys.
You gonna keep that one?
I'm just putting him in the lava.
You gonna keep that one?
I'm just putting him in the lava.
He'll probably die. I ain't got the recirculator on.
I'll pick him up.
I think keep it if you want to.
It's just a good one to keep.
Does it really matter on the river?
I don't like keeping big ones.
Oh my gosh, that was sick. Show them to the camera.
Joking.
They're eating.
Yeah,
These
he's got
bushes.
that big one back now. I call this bush.
bushes.
That's okay.
Coming for your head?
That dude came behind us.
I could have thought spot water. Sheesh.
You think they're eating it?
Yeah, they're starting to eat it now.
I'm choking it. Trey's like, what the heck?
Oh yes, that's about my 7th, 8th one. Here he is, boys. Number 8. Oh, come on.
Trey, don't push me off.
You don't want to hit the side of the boat with that.
Yeah, I did.
Number 8.
Cut this thing away. Yeah, hell no.
God dang that rock guy.
I'm about to give up.
Number 9.
I'm about to get my worm pole.
Little sky of the day.
Give me that rod, Gilly.
Trey, what you talking about? This weight I got on? Perfect for this current. See?
Hey, you might want to stick with it.
Number 2.
I just just haven't got that pull yet, like you said.
Yeah. It'll come.
Look, whoop my butt, Gavin.
I ain't doing it yet.
Number 11. Sean trying to cast in the back of the boat. Yeah! Reel him in, baby! Hang on. Ah, let me get it.
Get in the boat!
Yeah.
Let's go! Yeah! Got a fish!
There's Trey's first one, boys.
What time is it? Like 11:30?
12 o'clock maybe.
12 o'clock?
Right here, it's hot. And yeah, Trey finally just caught his first fish.
PB river bass.
PB river bass. About pound and a half. A nice one. Good job, Trey.
Thank you, sir.
All right, Trey's first one. He's releasing it. There we go, baby.
That felt so good.
So good, huh?
So good.
We're leaving. He fight hard?
What?
Yeah.
I think it was like not even a pound.
Yeah. Fought like a 12 pounder, huh?
I fought like a freaking PB and I ain't even caught nothing over 6.
Sturgeon right there, bro.
There he is. I watched him eat that.
Hey, can you go back? I'm shutting on.
That's another nice one.
Stuck.
Here's this, I'm turning around.
Listen on trick chain a little bit.
Trying to put the camera, guy.
Dude, that's a slug.
Gavin caught another. Gavin's 14. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to smash that like button. We definitely caught some fish today, had a really good time. I ended up with 18, Sean Jr. ended up with 12, and Trey ended up with 10. But the cameras died, so we didn't get a lot of those in there. So, yeah. But anyways, I'll see y'all in the next video.